Black & Decker plant at Spennymoor in County Durham, the largest power tool manufacturing plant in the world and a truly world-class operation. Spennymoor's strength lies in harnessing the skills, enthusiasm and commitment of its workforce, an approach that extends through every level of the business. A working team that focuses on excellence in every area, from design and development to production and distribution. A team that continues to deliver success and exceptional quality to customers and markets around the world. This plant, closely linked to Black & Decker's global headquarters in the USA, dates from 1965. At that time, the company was expanding its UK manufacturing capacity and took over a greenfield site. Since then, the plant has developed to become the company's largest operation internationally. Spennymoor's annual turnover is in excess of £250 million, and more than 2,000 people are employed on this site. The workforce was increased to that number as a result of major investment and reorganisation in 1998. Black & Decker transferred the manufacture of its professional power tool range from Molteno in Italy. That cost £18 million, but integrated manufacture of Black & Decker's professional power tool range and domestic DIY products on one site. In all, 22,500 square feet of factory space had to be cleared for new production lines using advanced robotics. Bringing the DeWalt and Elu production lines on stream quickly and efficiently was achieved through meticulous planning and the company's commitment to ingenious techniques which involve all employees in solving problems. The first of these is called Kaizen. It's a time-based process and involves employees working together in small cells or groups and relying on each other and team spirit to achieve the best results. The second system is called Six Sigma and takes employees through methods of statistical analysis which again boost efficiency and quality and reduce costs. Both techniques rely on Spennymoor's mix of motivation and teamwork, with employees producing their own solutions, the solutions that work best for everyone. And in the case of the move from Italy, this meant the DeWalt and Elu lines were efficient from day one. Spennymoor accommodates Black & Decker's European Design Centre. Employing 100 people using state-of-the-art technology, this was established to keep the company at the cutting edge of competition. Aside from product development, the centre produces about 30 new products a year, 6 of which are completely new innovations. Spennymoor's Design Centre continues to produce some of the best-selling products in markets across the globe. That's a great source of pride for Spennymoor employees, all of whom are urged to commit themselves to the same goals. They all wear similar clothing, which doesn't differentiate between managers or shop floor workers, and share the same responsibility for company excellence. And this is reflected in a fine record of industrial relations. Wherever possible, the company makes its own components, except where this is impractical, and then suppliers are required to meet the same levels of quality. But although the company name is one of the most famous in the world and synonymous with good quality, Spennymoor does not rest on its laurels. It knows it must continue to invest in its products and its people to be assured of future success. Thus, everywhere you go on this site, you'll find people working together for the good of the company and themselves. That goes for sales and product meetings and for visits to suppliers, such as this one in nearby Hartlepool.
Afternoon, it's Brian Bailey and Richard French from Black & Decker here to see Road.
Component suppliers are encouraged to feel part of the team. Spennymoor's relationship with suppliers delivers significant productivity benefits, lead time reduction and quality improvements. Spennymoor requires suppliers to meet exacting standards, but equally rewards them with awards for service and excellence. Investment in the latest supply chain, inventory and process planning systems, and a flexible supply base mean that maximum efficiency is maintained and that Black & Decker is even more responsive to customer requirements. Turnaround of new orders can now take place almost immediately, and customers across Europe receive orders quicker and at less cost. A multi-million-pound investment in injection moulding means that a significant percentage of Spennymoor's plastic is produced on site. All part of ensuring that, whether it's professional or domestic tools, Black & Decker delivers the most cost-effective results. Throughout the manufacturing process, all product is subject to conformance testing. And this test centre ensures that every product is actually tested to destruction, a process that's geared to finding constant improvements in design. The company is closely involved in the local community. This young man, for example, needed help, and employees of Black & Decker were quick to respond, providing a computer for home learning. And company people have also provided medical equipment for ambulance teams in the immediate area, all part of being involved, whether it's in the community or at work. There are often visits from local dignitaries or members of Parliament. Here, Derek Foster, the MP for Bishop Auckland, congratulates the company on the development of the Quattro, a power tool which combines 4 functions: drill, sander, screwdriver and jigsaw in one unit. Mr. Foster presented the Prime Minister's congratulations, since the Quattro has won a British Government Millennium Award. This joins many others for technology, export, investment and best practice. This is a garden strimmer, working not with a metal blade, but using nylon spun at high speed. Black & Decker's product includes a unique line feed system, which instantly replaces broken line. You don't have to do anything. All part of Black & Decker being at the forefront of garden power tool design and technology. This revolutionary 4x4 rotary mower is a lawnmower with a big difference: its wheels. Just one look at its distinctive and attractive appearance tells you it's something special. Much more manoeuvrable than any other type of wheeled mower, because all of its 4 wheels can cleverly swivel through 360 degrees horizontal. This means it will cut and collect forwards, sideways, on slopes and even round corners. Extremely light and easy to steer along the edges or even the curviest of lawns, it can whiz round trees, garden furniture and ornaments. The Black & Decker 4x4 has all the benefits of a conventional rotary mower plus the manoeuvrability of a hover. The 4x4 range comes with an easy-to-use cutting height adjustment to suit all types of grass at any time of the year. Simply release a catch and adjust the mower's cutting height between 19mm and 59mm in 14 settings. Just more examples of Black & Decker's excellence leaving the factory on the way to customers. Black & Decker excellence is recognised around the world. The list of countries to which 3/4 of its products are exported is impressive in itself. And the quality never fails. 12 million tools produced in this factory every year, and during that 12-month period, some 2,000 product variations. So whatever products are leaving the factory, quality is assured. They've been manufactured by people who care about what they do. And customers can be confident they're receiving the very best. Indeed, that's why they keep coming back to a name they can trust. Black & Decker. The possibilities are endless.